You know, it's really a question of, do you want to sell more to less people or less to more people? Our goal is not to see how much money we can make. Our goal is to see how much we can help them improve their cleaning operation with the impact that it has on everybody, from the controller down to the janitor and the maid.
Portion Pack sells high concentrate, pre-measured, portion-controlled cleaning materials that you would use in any place that you clean commercially. Office buildings, schools, universities, you name it. And the basic concept is trying to take out the dangerous chemicals that were used in formulations historically and still today, and also the wasteful water. So in your average bottle of, say, glass cleaner, there is 31 ounces of water in a bottle that's used one time, and 1 ounce of the active and cleaning ingredients. And we take that 1 ounce of active cleaning ingredient, put it in a polyethylene pack.
Today, people think that the environmental movement started 20 years ago or something. That's probably 100 years old at least.
Marvin had been in the janitorial industry for so long, he saw what the toxic and caustic products were doing to people's skin. And Sid was an environmentalist and said, well, we need to do something about this. Why are we shipping water?
So if you can do something where you can make a choice for the customers and make sure that they're still successful but have less impact on the janitor, less impact on the environment, and make them more successful, why not do that?
This is our new learning portal. We developed this so that your employees would have the opportunity to get cleaning procedures as well as education wherever they are, whenever they need it. All of the cleaning procedures are here. You can also choose education modules. You can go through that way.
That's the best part.
Norfolk School District is an example of our school food service program that we're doing across the country. What we're doing here is we're providing a service solution to kitchens. So for one set cost a month, we provide them not only with products, but also sanitation and safety, education, support, as well as documentation that they need for the health department.
It's a wonderful thing for my schools because it ensures that my kitchens are clean and that our food is safe and healthy for the kids.
And once it's totally air dried, I'm going to come back and I'm going to use a germicidal spray, and it'll be nice and shiny for you.
The education models teach my staff how to keep the equipment properly cleaned, how to keep our food at safe temperatures, and how to ensure the safety of the food that we're serving to our students every day.
See the difference?
Yes.
So that's what you want to make sure you do. So when you're doing a test, and you want to make sure you're testing that and then bring it to the manager's attention right away. Okay? As long as you can touch the bottoms when they're warm, you want to spray degreaser, shut the doors 5 minutes later, we open them back up, and it's going to wipe right out, there's no scrubbing. Hi ladies, remember last month when I brought the education module in on preventing slips and falls? Yeah. We want to make sure that with 2-bucket mopping, we want to make sure that the first bucket has 2 gallons of water with 1 pack of all-purpose. Any questions on this educational module?
Angela, you are late. The kids are getting ready to come through the line.
As a service to our customer, we provide this course material to them at cost. The reason that we're having this class is so these managers can go back to their schools and serve the kids safe food.
I'm looking for a company that has integrity. I need to know that they're giving me the very best they have to offer every time. I don't want to be sold. I don't want to have smoke and mirrors. I just want the very best brought forward every time.
And all our fingerprints are going to come off, and if you still have a problem right here, just put a little bit more because I can see fingerprints.
Okay.
And just put a little elbow behind it, yeah.
Gotcha.
Cleaning and sanitation are very important. If it is important, then the people that actually do clean are important. And we value janitors and people cleaning. And then if they're going to do a good job, you have to actually educate people and you have to come up with a way to motivate them to do their best. It's not any different than you read in any business magazine. It's just applied to an area of the world that people don't usually respect, the people that clean.
I would define ethics and integrity as common sense. Why would you want to be in business and not have good business ethics? And if you don't have integrity, who wants to do business with you? And I don't want to do business with customers who don't have good integrity. So it's a two-way street. We don't want to deal with people who don't have good ethics. They don't want to deal with companies that don't have good ethics. And it's simply it's not complicated. It's doing the right thing. Everyone knows what the right thing is. So it's common sense.